Alright, guys. Bruh, my hair. Quick trade recap from yesterday. So it was another loss, which is fine because I gave an A setup. Been taking a lot of A setups this month, and unfortunately, I'm having a losing month. But from my back testing, I do have a few losing months. Well, I mean, I did in my back testing, so I'm only down 300. Month's not over. Still got, I think, 3 days in the month, haven't we? February. Um, one, two. Okay, yeah, and today. Got 3 more trading days, and I believe they will have news. Let me quickly check. Today we don't have news. Orange news. So probably try trading the macros today. Tomorrow should be good, and then Friday should be good. Okay. And I have got quite unlucky this month. Like things like this. Not taking. Oh wait, I did take a profit. No, not that one. That one wasn't unlucky. That one was fine. But trades like this, where it's like I take a profit at 1-to-1, comes up, stops me, and then goes down. This trade was I already did like this trade, so that's fine that this one stopped me out. But this was the trade I took yesterday. I think it was another good trade. I can't lie. If we go into the charts, we had a 4-hour SMT. You see Sunday the 2nd of Feb at 6 o'clock, and then you see Sunday 6 o'clock. We take this out, and on NAS we don't at the time, and we still have it on NAS, so we've got relative equal lows now. But anyway, so at market open, we literally just go down. So obviously, with what ICT has taught, I'm looking at the lunch macro, which is right here. So I'm looking to trade in this area, and we get our market structure shift. After sweeping out sell side, we get our market structure shift, and we also inverse this on the 5-minute. We inverse that on the 5-minute. We inverse this on the 1-minute. And I ended off this inverse on the 1-minute. I probably should have waited for a tap into the Fair Value Gap, and I would have got a better entry. But anyway, that was my entry right there on this candle. Stop below this order block right here. And I was aiming for the first high created after 10. So if we look at 10 right here, this is the first high we come to. Got our buy side there. 1 to 4.3 risk to reward. Also relative equal highs with this high right here. And unfortunately, it's the next macro that wait, no. I guess yeah, you could say it's the next macro. But this was a nice trade, this inverse right here. Maybe enter off this CSD right here. Stop here, and then you hit the yeah. I think we pulled back to a 5-minute. Yeah, pulled back to a 5-minute. It is unfortunate. I had the right idea, but a bit of a tough month. If we go on to my top step. We're only down 300 on the account, but we do have a lot. We have 996, basically 1,000 till my maximum loss till I lose the account. But hopefully that doesn't happen. But yeah, it's a bit of a tough month. I've only taken 3 losses. I've taken 1 loss here, 1 loss here, 1 loss here, and I've taken basically 3 wins. 1 here, 1 here, 1 here. So it's not been a great month, but it's just that my losses have been bigger than my wins. But even last month, I only really took 3 losses, and I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 wins. So just need to start getting my wins bigger than my losses. But yeah, I don't really see much wrong with this trade. Yeah, it's just based off the lunch macro. Entered in a macro time. I do think that PA was good yesterday. I don't think it was bad. It was quite volatile. We come down, market short shift, fair value gap, entry, lunch macro because we've been going down. And then unfortunately we just wanted to take out this sell side one more time and then get the this inverse was also a nice entry. That inverse right there. Stop below here. You could have literally just ridden. I don't know. Maybe this is TP1. These highs right here, and then maybe this is final TP. You get 2.6 R. So I mean, these are 3 good trades all here. I could have taken them all, but I just didn't want to lose. I mean, my maximum loss is 400, and I was at 267? 267. So I was like, I only have 130 left to lose. So it was just like, oh, it's whatever. Like, but I mean, in real time, I was watching this, and I did want to enter. I just didn't want to lose anymore. But it would have been a banger. It would have been 95 points first TP, and then 168 second TP. So, and my stop loss would have been still a big stop loss. I would have only been able to enter with one micro, so I probably would have made 200. I would have probably took TP off here. So I would have only had a 67 losing day, and then maybe I enter this again because I have more room now. So then maybe what I'm risking 40, so I enter 3, risking 300, and I make 140, 420. But that didn't happen because I didn't want to lose anymore. So it is unfortunate, but sometimes that's the way the cookie crumbles. But I think it was a good setup. Didn't hate it. Lunch macro, invest this, invest a 5-minute. We had an unfilled. We had this unfilled 15-minute right here. Let me just get rid of these. See, we had this unfilled 15-minute right here, which I wanted to see traded to. But it is what it is today. And this is my draw at the start of the day. This is still my draw today. I want them to get traded to. Them highs are way too smooth. I ain't letting all these double top traders get away with that. So hopefully today is a better day. And yeah, I guess we'll see, man. We got this. This is how the NDogs and NWOGs chart is looking. Yesterday's. Let me get rid of the bold because that's not today's. Got today's done here. It's already been traded to. And yeah, this is my draw for today. So see if I can get set up towards it. If not, then I honestly don't know. Let's see what happened. Where London low. Okay, so we got relatively equal lows for London. Let me mark them out. Just do this quick. And we have Asia low. So yeah, I mean, see if we can get a good trade or not. But yeah, I think I've been taking good trades. Just a tough month. But I bought FX Replay again, and I'm gonna backtest. I've got my sessions sorted out. So I made these yesterday. I'm gonna backtest the 2022 model / Silver Village, basically entering on fair value gaps. You know, liquidity sweep, market structure shift, fair value gap or CSD, whatever. And then I'm gonna backtest IFEGs from 2023 because I already done 2024 most of it. Yeah, January 2024 was fine. IFEGs. Let me just check. Okay, so in June and July I made that. See, I can bloody do it in backtesting, but it's just about doing it in live sessions. And I'm about to be entering my March will be the start of my 7th month since learning ICT. I was watching TGR from January, February, like May/June, like middle of May. So I guess you could say middle of May I started, but I didn't start watching the actual charts till June, July. Yeah, since July I was watching the actual charts, and then September I started learning ICT. So I kind of say like July, September, but I kind of count it from September because that's when I started like locking in. But yeah, man, rough couple of rough couple of days, but it's all good. We will get our get back. So hasta luego, chicos.